Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Boxer YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a array of values of specific property from an array of records. So if you see here in the left side, this is the input that we have to pass to the transform data mapper. If you see, this ACC property is having array of records, okay, and in the each record it is having the name, industry, country, language. Okay, this four properties are there. For each property there is a value is there here. And in this example I want to make a group of a specific field. Okay, here if you see, this is a response that we need to make using transform data mapper. Okay, for a name property, we need to form an array of all the names which are present in the each record. If you see in the name field, Michael Holmes, Global Media, Radhika, Madan. So we need to we need to make a array of values of all the values like this. In this array, we have these three values. Like this, we need to make for all the fields. For this name, industry, country, and the language. Hope you got the requirement. Okay. To do this requirement, okay, I will go to the Salesforce environment. I will create a new data mapper. We'll name this data mapper as obj property values to obj property values into array. Okay. So I will select the interface type as a transform. Input type and output type will be the JSON. Save this data mapper. So this is the input that we need to pass the data mapper. So here in the right section, in the input JSON section, I will expand and I will paste the input JSON, whatever I have with me. After that, what I will do, first I will show you here in the input JSON part. I will select the ACC colon country, and here I will write the country. Right? I will preview it. See, we got the country value in a as a list of records, right? But I want all these values in an array like this. We can do that using formula field. We can get the response like that. Okay, I will write the formula for that. So ACC can be written. I will copy the input JSON part and I will paste it here. If you write the same path here, it is going to work like that only. Here, how we got the result, right? But I want all these values to be uh, in an array, right? In the array format. So what you need to do is just write a path name as a country, so that this formula field every time in a for loop, means it is like a loop, uh, and the loop will be in every loop the value will be assigned to this country variable. If it is having the only one value, means only one single string will be assigned to this country field. If if the uh, if you are passing list of records, means all the record country values will be added to this country field, then it will become the list property. Okay, Now I will remove this ACC colon country. Okay. Now see here, we will get all the values in an array format. All the records values, all the record country values in an array format. Likewise, we need to do for the other fields also. Here, write the ACC colon name. I will in the formula result part, I will write the name part and ACC colon industry. I will name this part. I will name this part as the industry on ACC colon or other field we industry language, right? Yeah, language. In the formula result part, I will make the path name as a language. Okay. Here we need to do the field mapping in the transforms tab. I will map the industry with the output JSON path as a industry, language path with language only, the name formula path with name formula path. Okay, I will go to the preview and I will show you how we got the response. See, we got the response how we expected, right? Okay. So now what I will do, okay, if for suppose if it is having, I will remove the language in each record. Okay, I will keep the language value for only one record. See now, this array will be converted into the string. See, for this language, it became a string property now. Previously, it was a array property, but now it got converted into the string property. Okay, if the multiple values are there, and we are for this list of records for this list of records, and for every record we are taking the country and giving the path name as only one field means without writing ACC, without writing the ACC colon means this single field, this single path field will take all the list of values will, and it will be assigned to a list array. Okay, now the second one is same. We will use the same input as a parameter for the second scenario. Here, so this is the input we need to use to the second scenario, and this is the output that we need to make. Okay, so here till here, name, industry, country, region, country, language, all will be the same. And in the end, we need to add these fields. Is American property, is Canadian property, is Indian property. Okay. If for that we need to write a formula condition, formula, use the formula fields to get the true or false values. But yeah, this is a input JSON and this is a expected JSON output. Output. Okay. We'll show you how we can do that. I will create a new data mapper, transform data mapper for that one. Transform selecting the interface type as a transform. So this is the input JSON that we have. So I will paste it in the input JSON part, and in the expected JSON output, we already have the uh, output JSON. So I will copy it and I will paste it in the expected JSON output to do the quick field mapping using the quick match. So it will reduce. See, field mapping is done within a seconds of time. If we do manually, it is going to take a lot of time, right? Yeah. So most of the most these fields got mapped: name, industry, country, and language. And here we need to add these properties: is American, is Canadian, is Indian, right? So that first we will go to the formulas. Okay. Here we will select the country. Okay. We will use the if condition formula. If ACC country equals to India, then it will be the true. If country is India, then pass the value as a true, otherwise pass the value as a false. For which field, for which property we need to pass it true or false? We need to pass true or false to the is Indian. Okay. So I will write here, I will in the front I will write the ACC in a small letters. ACC colon is Indian. Okay. In the I will go to the transform tab to do the field mapping. Here in the input JSON, search for the ACC colon is Indian. We got that path, right? So in the output JSON also paste the same path name. Okay. Now go to the formula tab and I'm copying the same thing. But here I will change the country name USA, and in the formula result part I will change this to is American. If the country is USA, then pass the value as a true, otherwise pass the value false. And for the other country also, I will write the formula. If his country is Canada, here I will okay. If it is Canada, it will pass the value to the value true to the is Canadian property. Okay. Now we need to do the field mapping for the is American and is Canadian, right? So I will go to the transform. I will check for the quick match. Okay, here I will map the is American with the is American. Uh, uh, Drag this is American field from the left side to the right side, so it will be mapped. Yeah, mapping is done. Click on the save button. Now go and preview the output. See, we got the output. If you see here, is Canadian. See here, if it is a country, I have told you, right? Is Canadian will be the true, and also see is American false, is Indian false. And for the other record, country is USA, right? Is American will be become true, and the other Canadian is Indian will become the false. For the Radhika Madan, see, check the country, it is in India, and these two properties is American, is Canadian, values become false, and is Indian property has the true value, right? I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Uh, if you have any queries related to these two scenarios, you can do a comment below. I will respond to that. Mm. If anyone learning Omnistudio, you can share these videos to them, your colleague, or it can be your colleagues or your friends. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and please like this video if you uh, understood. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye for now.